to Warlo Batak. And safe to say, at least in this ball game, we've seen different layers to him. As Aaron Estacio beats the buzzer, increasing their output.
Pag nakakashoot siya ng ganun, yung downhill, hindi na siya masyadong mahihirapan. At least that lane's gonna be open and it's gonna help his teammates as well to bring that gravity to him.
Pasok ang floater ni Marlon Monte, who now has 8 points, 9 rebounds, and 4 assists. Estacio counters on the other end with a triple.
The fire in that performance of Warlo Batak, like what you said earlier, went from 8 points to at halftime to 22 points to quarter number 3.
In the fourth. This is their biggest lead at 7. Oh, great look inside. Batak, quick decision, locating his teammates. Picking up a foul. Play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
Ganda rin ang timing ng pagkakakat ni Jacob Galicia. Siya komportable.
Flores swings it to Keith Pido. Galicia, dinagdagan yung lamang ng Pasig. It's up to 11. Mabuti na lang, nasa kanila pa rin yung bola. Joseph Terzo bouncing it off the...
Alam mo, mga ilang beses ko na rin nakita yan kay Joseph Terzo.
Extreme ang subok at kompleto ang Pants brand ng Pilipinas. Batak the rebound and the putback, 24 points. Pido pushing it. Estacio stretches and scores. Aaron Estacio with 13 players niyan nagdaan sa Pasig. Kenny Roacurva, back in season 5.
Yeah. Mike Maestre.
Tama. They will retain possession. Sorry, isang free throw lang pala. Technical foul. Estacio, that shot is a thing of beauty.
Lalo na dito si Aaron Estacio.
Long rebound, ending up with Warlo Batak. Putting some speed on. Goes right at Pasaol. He finishes through contact. What a play!
Had to sprint down. Was trying to take off. He got that bump from 2 guys. But still, control, decelerate. In English on that shot. Ibang klase itong pinapakita ngayon ni Warlo Batak. And you and I are both impressed.
Fresh 14 sa shot clock ng Pasig because of that Pido offensive rebound. Galicia hits it. He also has had an impressive game. Muntik na mawala. Tuluyan na nawala na agaw ni Alvin Pasaol. Monte. Subugod. The layup is good. Taganas swings it to another former San Beda Red Lion. Rusey Koga knocks down the free. Yusuf Aljamal, Ogi Menor.
Right.
Comes away with a steal. Jer Taganas.
Huge third quarter explosion from Warlo Batak and the rest of the Pasig gang.
Came off the bench. Batak will soar and score.
He's not done yet. You know, doing it in their first game on the home floor, these guys did not disappoint. And surely Coach Buds is happy with how his guys have performed to start the season.
Pasig City, after just 24.2% from the field, 8 of 33, they turned things around in the second half, shooting 20 out of 32.